Today's session, taking you through this cardio workout, I brought you 6 hand-picked exercises. For today's workout, it's going to work on your entire body and do wonders for you. This workout is good for beginners. Let's begin this workout with high knees. We're going to be doing 60 seconds for all the exercises today, starting with high knees. So, you're going to start off here, just lifting your knees up as high as you can. Let's start off now for 60 seconds. So,
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4.
hey guys, that was the end of high knees. Good job so far. Let's move into the second workout now, spot jumps, for the next 60 seconds.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5.
We're going to move on to the third exercise now, mountain climbers, a great exercise for your cardio as well as your lower core. So, to begin, you start from a plank, and you're going to kick your legs in front, just like this or a little quicker if possible. So, we're going to do this now for 60 seconds again, beginning in 3, 2, and start off.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4.
So, work guys, and we're done with the mountain climbers. Good job. On to the fourth exercise now, jumping jacks, a great whole body cardio movement. Again, I'm just going to show it to you before we begin, just like that, nice and simple. 60 seconds again, on my cue we'll start in 3, 2, and begin.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's move on to the next exercise. Let's begin with the fifth exercise now, which is a squat jump. It's a combination of a squat along with a jump, so just cheer down and up. We're going to do the same thing now, 60 seconds once again. Let's start off now in 3, 2, and begin.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4.
Now we're gonna move on to the last and the sixth exercise. The last and final exercise we're gonna move to is a scaled-down version of the burpee, so you're not going to touch your chest to the floor. Let me just show you one, so we're going to do that once again, 60 seconds on my cue. Let's start off now in 3, 2, and start off.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let us know in the comments below on how you found the workout, and stay tuned to the Mechanical Body Fitness YouTube channel for more content on workouts.